Cats love to explore and climb. If there is a balcony, it can be dangerous for a curious cat. They might jump or fall by accident. To keep them safe, it is important to cat-proof the balcony. Here are simple and safe ways to protect a cat on a balcony. A protective net is a great way to stop cats from jumping or falling off the balcony. These nets are made of strong materials that cats cannot easily tear. Attach the net securely to the railing and extend it upward to block access. You can find nets in different sizes and colors to match your space. This creates a safe barrier, while still letting sunlight and air come through. A cat enclosure is like a small, safe cage for the balcony. It gives the cat space to play and relax while being fully protected. Kitty City outdoor catio furniture and play kits are perfect for balconies, creating a safe and fun space for cats. These kits include enclosures, platforms, and ramps, keeping cats entertained and secure. They are easy to set up and ideal for small outdoor areas. This is a good option for renters or those who do not want to make permanent changes to the balcony. Plexiglass panels are another option to cat-proof a balcony. These are clear, sturdy panels that attach to the railing. Cats cannot climb them because they are smooth. Plexiglass panels also block wind while keeping the view open. This option works well if you want something that blends with the look of your balcony. Adding cat-safe plants to the balcony can keep cats busy and happy. Plants like cat grass, catnip, and spider plants are safe for cats to chew. Place the plants in sturdy pots to prevent them from tipping over. This makes the balcony more inviting for cats while keeping it safe. Even with safety measures, it is best to keep an eye on cats when they are on the balcony. Supervision helps prevent accidents and lets you enjoy time with them. If you cannot supervise, consider keeping the balcony door closed to avoid any risks. By following these tips, the balcony can be a safe and fun space for a cat to enjoy fresh air and sunshine.